everyone, it's Carol from Pure Hot Yoga St. Louis, and in today's posture breakdown, we're going to talk about Supermans. This is a move you'll find in our Inferno Hot Pilates classes. It's during the prone series, so in between your strong forearm planks, we're focusing on these prone moves in order to strengthen the muscles down the back side of the body. And why do we need to do that? Well, if you're like me, in today's society, always kind of rounded forward and on your phone or maybe sitting at a desk for long periods of time, the muscles in your back can become very weak. This can lead to back pain and poor posture. And this move is super simple but super effective in strengthening those muscles and eliminating back pain and helping with your posture. So let's take a look. On your stomach, you let your arms and legs extend, and all you do is lift legs and arms same time and hold. You're making sure the shoulders are pressing away from the ears. You pull the belly in nice and tight, squeeze your butt, and focus on engaging the pelvic floor here as well as you hold and breathe. If the arms get tired, you can always bend the elbows and go into the goal post arms position, or you can bring your arms down by your side into what we call Iron Man. Always make sure that you have a neutral neck. You don't want the head to just hang here, so you have some strength there as you hold and breathe. We'll hold it for about 30 seconds in the class. So again, it's a super simple move, very effective in strengthening the muscles down the posterior chain or the back side of your body. So I hope those tips help you the next time you're in class. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you soon.